Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Last time I did one of these was, I want to say like September of 2023, somewhere around there. I don't really remember. I believe by the time I'm going to release this, it will be Star Wars Day, so it's a little bit more topical because this is yet another mystery box from Padawan Outpost. They aren't sponsoring this. I'm just doing this because I enjoy it. They have, well, the one product that I got from them was pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, see what I got. So, 1, happy Star Wars Day. 2, I believe this is my 7th year anniversary on YouTube. So we're doing this in celebration of that as well. Get off my microphone. Go away, cat. Alright, here's the blade. Thank you for ordering. No problem. Manual. This looks promising. So, a note about the first episode that I did, if you watched the first episode. I was under the impression that Xenopixel was a description of the blade, because there are RGB blades and there are pixel blades. Some pixel blades are built into the hilt, so you can't actually change them out, and others have LEDs going through them that you, well, I mean, they all have LEDs going through them, but you can take them out. So I was under the impression that a Xenopixel was just another type of blade. It is actually the type of core inside the hilt. And so, the first one that I did actually was a Xenopixel, which I had no clue until I downloaded the app. And so, I guess without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Ooh! This one's pretty. Here's those, here's this, here's the cord. I brought my battery pack over this time just so that it can be, I'll leave that right there so it's still visible. Brought my battery pack over so I can go ahead and charge it. Here we go. Ooh, yeah, that's really nice and pretty. So this isn't really a dark gray, it's kind of more of a medium gray, but this is my first gray one, I believe. Let's see if it turns on any. No, okay, so it does need to be charged. And with the truth, this will tell us right away if it's a Xenopixel.
Charging.
I do believe it's a Xenopixel, which is pretty cool. Alright, so while that's charging for a little bit, I'm going to get this other stuff ready. I once again was given longer screws and shorter screws. Not totally sure what the difference is still. But I imagine I'll just need these 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I believe I only need 3. Okay, I'm just about ready, so I guess I'll jump back in. And I believe in the first video I did, where I did an unboxing, I made note on how quickly this arrived. That is still true for this. So, they are based out of the UK. I ordered this, it was the 20th that I would have ordered this, and it came on the 26th. So, they still have very fast delivery. And I'm in the US, so that's pretty dang good. And usually I like having the screws being flush, but I think for this one, it almost looks good with the, I mean, you can't really see. Can I focus? There we go. It actually looks kind of good with the screws being a little bit out like that. So I think I'm going to leave it like this. Focus. There we go. Now let's see if it'll turn on. Oh, and one more thing. So as soon as I picked up the blade, I thought that it looked really short. And it is in fact a lot shorter. So as a comparison, I have my first one with me. My first unboxing. it's a lot shorter. So I'd say this one has more of a standard combat length. It's not like all 1-to-1 accurate, because that's 36 inches. This one is 28-ish. So this one is probably like, well, no, I guess that's not 24. That's way longer than 2 feet. Oh wait, no, it's 36, and I think 28. So this is probably 28 inches. This one's 30. I got it just right up there. This was loose, so I'm gonna tighten that a little bit more. Now I guess I'm ready to turn this on.
Power on.
Let's see what it defaults to. The exact same one. Okay, so I'm not gonna go. Turn the light back on now, I guess. I'm not gonna go through every single sound like I did in the first one, because that video was like, how long was that? Like 40 something minutes, I think. So I'm just going to, well, I'm still gonna go through them and just pick the one that I like for this particular one, but I'll just skip to wherever that is in the video. So the sound font and color that I chose is the Princess, which is Princess Leia's from Rise of Skywalker? Wait, was it Rise of Skywalker? Yeah, I believe, yeah, Rise of Skywalker. And so, like last time, I'm going to see if I can find the specific saber I got and see how much I actually saved. And I already found it. So, go away, Xenopixel. Okay, yeah, so this is a 20... Okay, so the first one was a 32-inch. The 36 is the 1-to-1. This is more combat suitable, easier to use. And then this is the one that I got, which is more for, not kids. I mean, kids probably would have an easier time with the shorter blade, but from what I've heard, a lot of people like these shorter blades for double-bladed lightsabers. I personally don't really care, but it seems that from the base price of $212, wow, I saved quite a lot. And even just the discounted price, I still saved quite a lot. Because I think the first one, this one, the price was $80. And then some time ago, I checked the prices again just to see, and it went up to $100. But then it went back down to $97 at some point, and so that's when I got this one. So I don't know why their prices fluctuate so much on the mystery boxes, but still, $97 down from $212. Pretty dang good price. I don't know specifically what the likelihood of getting a Xenopixel core is, but I've gotten one both times, which is pretty good, I'd say. I'm not going to say you should expect one, because if I actually go to their mystery box listing, mystery box saber, this is the one that I got both times. Mystery boxes of either baselit Xenopixel or Profi saber. So I'd say don't get your hopes up for a Profi saber. Profi. I still don't know how to pronounce that. I'm gonna say Profi. Although Profi sabers, which is the core again, they are more customizable for people who know what they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so I do prefer the Xenopixel cores. That's just my preference, and that's mainly because it comes with an app. So this one is hooked up to my app. This one is hooked up to my app, and I have another core that I'm actually looking to install into a empty Saber, and I'm actually trying to get their help with. But that is also XenoPixel and is connected to my app. Baselit is obviously going to be cheaper, and it's not as customizable. I believe they still take SD cards, and you can put sound fonts onto those SD cards. In fact, I could probably take this apart and show you an SD card. I don't remember if I did the first time or not. Right there's the SD card. So I do believe Baselit, just standard Baselits are SD card compatible. I don't know that for sure. Usually they just have a very small set of sound fonts and colors. You can still choose colors and sound fonts and customize to an extent, but not like you can with this, and definitely not like you can with the Profi Sabers. But I think that's where I'm going to leave this off. Big thanks again to Padawan Outpost. Again, they're not a sponsor. I just really like their mystery boxes because it's fun to do. For a fairly decent price, I'd say. Really fast shipping, and from my experience, quite likely to get a really good quality saber. So, if you guys had fun, consider leaving a like. If you had a lot of fun, consider subscribing. I'll see you in whatever the next video is. May the Force be with you.